Hey everybody, welcome back to the FarmTech Fix YouTube channel. Today's episode we're going to be doing some maintenance, some prep for harvest on my John Deere 2130. Let's get to it. Okay, you guys have been loving the content on the John Deere 2130 lately, so might as well make another video about it. We got to do some maintenance on this thing. We got to check the oil. Check coolant, check hydraulic oil, put fuel in, all that other miscellaneous stuff. So, yeah, you guys have been loving the content on this thing lately, so it's good to know. I'll keep this thing around. Let's get to it. Alright guys, first thing we gotta do is check our oil. Let me get some paper towel. Okay, check our oil. I'm gonna have to wipe it probably a few times just because we were running earlier to bring it in here. Yeah, it's all inaccurate on here, so. It's a little overfill. I don't know if you can see that little arrow right there, but it's a little overfill, but that's fine because I put in some Lucas oil stabilizer in this thing once upon a time. Yeah, let's check our coolant now. Okay, to check our coolant, just gotta step up here. See if this will blow up on me or not. Nope. And it's full. But this thing does have a coolant leak somewhere. Next time I go to my local Canadian Tire, I'm gonna have to get some K-Seal. I've heard that works really good to fix leaks in your rad or whatever. Our rad is in there. What else? Oh, check our hydraulic fluid. Oil on the hitch. Oh yeah, right, that's from a hydraulic line. Once upon a time. Right. Okay. It looks to be full. Yep, I think it's full. Or, sorry, it is full. I did also check that. It was quite a while ago. A couple weeks, maybe. Check our lights. This thing does have lights, which is pretty cool. It has the previous owner installed LED lights on this thing. So let's just check them. Key on. Here's the switch for them. Yep. They both work. See the one over there works? Check the one, there's also one in the back for when because we use it for augering. Yep, that obviously works. Okay. Blinds or blockade, we don't need that nowadays. I did repaint this muffler black once upon a time. I really like the flapper. Flappers are cool. Just recently put on the grill emblem because that wasn't on it when I got it. Those are hazard lights. The previous owner installed them, but they don't work. I think they worked once upon a time. I don't know. yeah. What else? Obviously not gonna vacuum it, obviously, because it's cab. I think we'll just fire it up, just make sure it's sounding good. I wasn't really paying attention last time. So, yeah, let's fire it up here. It will smoke a little bit, but it's an old engine, like, to be expected. Sounds good. Here, watch this. Let's bring it outside. What we need to do is put in some fuel, and then we'll take her for a rip. Okay, we're just about to put in some fuel. Just want to crank this to 0 because I want to see how many liters this thing takes. It's about 3/8 full. If that confuses you, just over a quarter. Okay, we're just gonna start it. And then, okay, well, I'm gonna put it in. There we go. Just want to check the gauge and see. Yeah, it's going up. Three-quarter tank. Says full. Should click out soon. Should click out soon, I hope. Still going. Oh, there we go. It's 60 liters. 60 liters, and I was at just over a quarter tank. That's not much. There. Now that our tank's full, let's take it for a ride. Yep, we got full tank.